This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse. This practically new beautiful 2-story colonial was built in 2018 in downtown Fredericksburg. This 1,693 square feet beauty features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, open concept floor plan with gorgeous hardwood floors throughout, stainless steel appliances, kitchen island and granite countertops, subway tile and ensuite bathroom with double sinks and walk-in closets. You can sip your coffee on your covered front porch, or barbecue with friends in your fenced-in backyard with wooden deck and patio. Walking distance to shopping, restaurants and the VRE. This stunning home is ready for your personal touch. Included warranties. The entry door has a lifetime warranty from ThermaTru. Windows also have a 20-year warranty, which includes the sliding glass door in the rear. This is a great deal. The house is only 3.5 years old. Come and see this beautiful home, and make it your own.